Hi, I'm Despina and I'm illustrator at Mobile Effects. I will be presenting you Coconut 2D sample games. Our first sample game is Coco in Cakeland. The purpose of this game is to demonstrate how to create a cross-platform matching puzzle game with rich animations and sound effects using Coconut 2D Studio. The second sample game is Coco Team vs Zombies. The purpose of this game is to demonstrate how to create a cross-platform tower defense game. Coco Team vs Zombies has zoom and pan features and shows how to handle multiple dynamic sprites. The third sample game is Coconut. The purpose of this game is to demonstrate how to create a scrolling platform game with multiple parallax layers, tiled layers, and 2D physics. The sample uses Box2D physics library and demonstrates how to bind JavaScript with them scripting libraries.